Hey guys and girls, welcome back to another beautiful video on this beautiful channel, on this beautiful day. How you guys and girls doing? Hope you're doing great. Today we're just going to keep fixing some stuff, and we'll mix it up with just making a little toString function for enemy as well. Let's just get started on that. But before we do, please check out the description box. Follow me on all the stuff in the description box if you want to. It will really help me out. Thank you for all the support. Also drop a like, subscribe if you like the content. You can join us on Discord, Twitter, all that stuff. And you can find all the links in the description box, just like I said. But let's just keep going here. I want to make a toString file. I do have a getAsString, but I think it's pretty long. So if we're going to CPP file here, enemy.cpp, let's just open that. Let's close everything in here actually, because I find it's easier to handle everything if you're in the same window. So let's just look at it. So getAsString, HP damage, defense, accuracy, drop chance. If we go into, for example, the event here, where we have the enemy encounter, we'll see that we're printing out a bunch of stuff here. Level, HP, defense, accuracy, damage. So what is that? Enemy.cpp. Everything except drop chance. So I'm just going to copy this function. getAsString event is what I'm going to call it. Now let's go into enemy.cpp and do the same thing. getAsString event. getAsString event like that. And once we've done that, I'm just going to remove this. And I know it seems kind of like a bad way to do it. Just add a whole new function just for this. But it kind of makes it clear. I can add more stuff to this function if I want to, and less things to this one if I want to. So that way it kind of helps me out. Also, I want to change this up for all of you guys on code blocks and stuff, because you probably want to use string streams instead of toString. Doesn't always work if you don't have the right settings, and it's kind of hard sometimes to get the right settings. So I'm just going to include string stream, and I'm going to do this. I'm going to do SS, and I'm just going to copy, Control X, all of that stuff. Okay. Copy paste these two symbols instead of all the pluses here. I know it's kind of tedious, but it will help you out if you're on code blocks and stuff. Just a little easier to work with doing this, because then you don't need to do all the string stream or the toString shit, because string stream takes care of that. So I'm just gonna go ahead and remove all of these pluses. I probably missed a few somewhere. It looks fine to me. Just remove all these string streams. Makes it a little easier to read as well. Just a little easier. I'm just gonna put that down a step and just remove all the toStrings. You can do the same for getAsString if you want to, especially if you're getting errors and you don't know what the hell is going on. But by this point in the series, you probably know how to fix those yourself. But yeah, you can look at the video I posted in the start of the series about Linux and code blocks if you're unsure. But otherwise, let's just do str, just return string stream here, the string, and then I'll get all of this as a string. Now, the reason I did this is because if we go into event here, okay, we're going to just, instead of this, I'm just going to do cout I and then the equal to sign, and then I'm gonna do enemies at position I dot get as string event. Okay, now I'm not really sure. Let me just see how I had it at the end there. I had a new line at the end of that, so I'm just gonna go back to that and then add a new line here as well. Pretty sure it should be fine. So there you go. Now I got that. Beautiful. Now my idea today is to kind of fix this event here. Let's just go ahead and fix it. Let's see what problems we're having. So we're having all this stuff here. This is the menu. Player turn. I'm just going to do a what are we going to do? We're going to do a string stream menu string here. Okay, and then we're just gonna do menu string in all of these. Player turn, continue, and then system pause. Let's see. Player turn. Like that, probably. Just make it a little more clear here. Actually, I'm going to do a C out here. We'll solve that later. But here's the menu, actual menu, battle menu. So battle menu, boom, boom, menu string, menu string, menu string, menu string. And then choice we don't need. Let's do get choice, the function get choice. This choice, or where is it? Choice, there we go. Menu string.str as usual, and then stream size 1. There you go. So probably not like that if you're not completely a noob. Event has no choice, but it should be, there should be a choice variable up here, right? Choice. There you go. So there's a choice variable right there. Player turn, all that stuff. Menu string. Okay, so menu string in there. I'm just gonna go ahead and remove all of this now. See how much less code we get? So, and there you go. Boom, 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 boom. And then we got another menu in here where we're just gonna print all the get string things and another choice. Get choice. Okay, so do a little more menu string. Okay, we printed that out. If we're here, we're just gonna do a menu string.clear, and then we're gonna do menu string in here instead. Select enemy, menu string I. And you know what we could do? We could do a cool thing here. We could actually do this. GUI menu item enemies. Okay, so I, and then enemies, and then boom. Okay, cool. So we got a bunch of menu items here dynamically. Select enemy, something like that maybe, and then we'll do all that stuff. We'll remove this, and we'll just fix this as time goes. Get choice menu string.str, and then 1, and then we don't need the fail, and then we'll get the attack roll, all that stuff. Beautiful, all that stuff. Enemy defeated, all the rolls and all that shit. Looks great. 0, otherwise rarity. Okay, fine. We got all that stuff fixed last time. Alright, so that's pretty much that menu right there. Menu string. Can I see if this works? Probably will get some errors, but if not, that's good. Okay, there you go. So travel, player turn, attack, select the enemy. Oh shit, okay, that looks interesting because of the new lines. Okay, so 0 maybe. Damage 75, enemy turn. Okay, I don't know what the hell happened. Continue. Player turn. Attack. Select the enemy. Okay, we probably need to do a clear here as well. I want to do 0 again. Missed enemy turn. Continue. Hit. Alright, so it hit me. Okay, so I'm getting it. I'm kind of getting it. So we're gonna need to fix that slowly but surely. If we run this, we're gonna clear it. We're gonna get all the enemies. So what we want to do in enemy.cpp is probably we don't want these new lines eventually, but we'll fix that as well as time goes. Let's just try to, let's focus on this right now. Let's see. So select the enemy. You get all the choices. You get the choice. And then it rolls it. Enemy roll, player roll. Hit. Where is that sin.get? Okay, remove. Let's see. Enemy role, combat role player. Okay, well that looks cool anyway. Let's keep working on this then. Enemy turn. And then the system.pause. System pause. Right there, and then we'll clear it. Like that. That's probably what I missed up here, wasn't it? Player turn. Pause. CLS. No, it wasn't what I missed though. Battle menu. Okay, select the enemy. System CLS. This is a clear up here in attack. And then we'll go back down here. So we do all that, and then we need the enemy attack. So system pause. Pause right there. Remove the continue. CLS right there. Okay, so we got all our enemies. Now we need the menu string here as well. Where is the menu string? Did I create it? In here, in the if statement here. Let's put it. Let's see, I use it throughout there. Or if there's an else if right there. There you go. Okay, so if enemy turn, I'm just going to do menu string up here. Enemy. How much time we got? Okay, so we're pretty much done for time, but let's see. Enemy I. It's not really any need for menu string here because the user doesn't need to do any input actually, so we don't need that in here. Let's just do that. So we're pretty much good for this video. Let me just make sure I didn't do anything dumb. Looks fine. So we got a lot less code. We'll kind of put all this code into some kind of a role item function as well, because it's kind of a lot of code, unnecessary code, I think. Yeah, pretty much. So we'll try to fix that. But we shortened it up a little bit. I hope that was cool. Hope you guys and girls learned something. Hope it wasn't too tedious. I know these videos are tedious again, but it's really important. So keep working hard. And if you have any questions, please ask me either on YouTube or on Discord, wherever you want. Also, drop a like, subscribe if you like the content. And yeah, thank you so much for all the support, all you guys and girls. Just take care, and I'll see you guys and girls in the next one, all right? Bye-bye.